have 2 whole columns of only women and only a handful of men. The odds are on our side. Why wouldn't one of these women want to meet a nice boy like you?
I'm not a nice person.
You did a bad thing, that doesn't make you a bad person.
I have a psychosexual disorder.
But you're better now. They wouldn't have let you out if you weren't.
They let me out because they had to.
Well, maybe if you had a girlfriend your own age, you would have had the bad urges so often.
I don't want a girlfriend my own age. Mommy, I wish I did.
What are you gonna do when I'm gone? Who's gonna take care of you?
What's the matter, Mommy? You sick or something?
I'm an old woman. I'm not gonna live forever. Who's gonna cook for you? Who's gonna do the dishes?
I can wash the dishes.
You've never washed a dish in your life.
I could if I had to. I'm not a retard.
No, you're not. You're a miracle, Ronnie. We're all miracles. Because as humans, every day we go about our business. And all that time we know. We know that the things we love, the people we love, can all be taken away from us at any time. You wouldn't know that and you keep going anyway. Animals don't do that. Now, I'm not saying get married, Ronnie. I'm just saying put an ad in the paper and see what happens.
Fine, I'll do it. If it'll make you happy. But just one date, alright?
You have a nice smile. Why don't we start with that?
What else?
You eat whatever I put in front of you, you never complain.
What else?
You're trying to get back in shape, you exercise.